Hello guys, baligya guys for support.
Tita, pila puti.
Dala guys, sa palit na mag-ballpen.
Kay 15.
Ballpen gyapon eh.
Kani? 20. Ballpen gapon.
Ballpen, saan pag ballpen? Abre, sample. Sample.
If you want this ball pen, multi-purpose this is. When you open it, just pull out, then you see this. This is the ball pen. And if you feel igang-igang, just like be model, like ganon. Nasa maigang. So this is gamitin mo ito. Then pang pamaypay. And if you want to write, just pull out then there. You can see this, the hait.
How much?
This is only for 20 pesos.
Okay.
So what are you waiting for? Buy na! Avail na!